And when we do it this time, we're going to get what we want. We're going to end up signing up and going to the home page. Okay, already pre-populated. Just click it, sign up, and now we're at the home page. That's pretty cool, right? So now under the actions, under the button sign up actions, you'll see that we are linking to the home. But if I remove the link to the home, okay, and then I sign up, you're gonna see we're gonna link to the home here, because you have to add that link. By default, that link is not going to be there, the linking to the home, because pretty much we created our own form which has to have our own actions. Okay, so the next, if I were to delete that and I were to sign up, you'll see that when we sign up, we'll be stuck on the sign up page, even though we want to be the workflow to go to the home page. So we have this little button here, we can click here and it will sign out. This is already built into and given to us by Adalo, which will actually call the sign out user and then redirect us to the login page, or the sign up page, which you're about to see here when I click it. Alright, see, so there it is. So now if we click on this, you will notice that we're in the same place, which is not what we want. We want to send them to the home screen. So to do that, we have to add the second action, which is linked to the home screen. And we'll change this to none so it looks better. And then we will go ahead and just make sure everything's correct. And then we will run the preview again. So we got the link, we got the sign up, we got the home. So now, once we got that link there, which is very important, you have to do it yourself in order to go to the next screen. We'll go ahead and run that preview, and we will see it go to the home screen. It will lead to that home screen there. So we'll click on the preview. And then we are leaded to the home screen. The reason why we're on the home screen, by the way, right now is because I'm already signed up and then it automatically defaultly logged me in. So I need to log out, and then I will just make up a username, which I probably will never remember, and I'll click sign up, and it leads to the home screen, which is what it's supposed to do. So that's really great. So that's really what we tried to accomplish. In the next video, we will talk about the login, and we will talk about the home screen again. We'll talk a little bit more about collections, and we'll get closer to understanding this basic application, which is already made for us, and then we'll be able to extend it. Awesome, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe if you find this useful, and if you would like for other people to see the video, you can share it. Okay, guys, till next time. Thanks a lot. See you all. This is the final video in this series. Hopefully you can subscribe, share or like our videos. Hopefully this helped you. Tune in for our next video where we will go into more detail about Adalo and building your own applications to satisfy whatever kind of craving you want, whatever you want to make. You can do it. Anyone can do it. Be a coder, not a coder, it doesn't matter. Learn Adalo, learn no coding. Become an expert. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.